Hello, this is the concluding plot account of Othello. Othello, being the army general, received word to back and defend Cyprus, which is an affiliate of Venice. Having realized that he has to defend and go with his army to defend Cyprus, he prepares for that journey. But in the preparation of the journey to defend Cyprus, he gets the word that the fleet of the Turkish people had drowned in the sea as a result of a raging tempest, a raging storm in the sea, and they all drowned. So, in the feat of happiness and celebration, Othello throws a party to celebrate his union with Desdemona and also the aversion of the imposing war between Venice and Turkish people. So he puts in charge of the whole celebration in the hands of Cassio, who is the right-hand man of Othello. He puts in charge of the whole thing in Cassio, but Cassio gets drunk as a result of the scheme of Iago in order to put Cassio in trouble. So Cassio got drunk and then he fought with Roderigo, who is an accomplice to Iago, and then in the whole process got Governor Montano stabbed in the belly. Othello, knowing of this whole situation, demotes Cassio of his rank, and the whole thing made Cassio to be sad and all drenched in his demotion. Iago advises him to meet Desdemona, the wife of Othello, to plead his case in order for him to be restored back in his rank. While Iago goes back and tells Othello of a lie that Desdemona is having an adulterous affair with Cassio. So Cassio meets Desdemona and pleads his case, but it backfires on himself. Othello thinking that they both are having an affair. On the other hand, Iago schemes through Othello by taking, with the help of his wife, who is a maidservant to Desdemona, by taking and seizing the special handkerchief Othello gave the wife, Desdemona, and then hid it in the house of Cassio. This all made Othello jealous and very vengeful, finding out that the handkerchief he gave and he takes so dearly is found in the hands of Cassio, in the house of Cassio. And then in that fit of rage, in that fit of vengeance, he kills his wife Desdemona by smothering her. He suffocates her with the pillow and the bed sheets in the house. On the other hand, Iago and Roderigo attacks Cassio, but Cassio successfully deals with Roderigo by attacking with a knife and all sorts. Iago was seriously injured while Roderigo dies in the whole feat. Othello, realizing that his wife was actually innocent of what she was accused of, and was so sympathetic and he was so taken by his act, he felt so bad in himself that he, realizing from the revelation of Emilia, the wife of Iago, who revealed the truth that everything that happened was the scheme of his husband Iago. So he went after Iago and he stabbed Iago with the knife, but Iago didn't die. And then with his own remorse and his own guilt, Othello kills himself by falling on his sword. Iago was punished accordingly by execution, while Lodovico makes Gratiano a successor to Othello, and also Cassio got what he deserved. So it's a bit of a tragedy, the death of Desdemona, the death of Othello, and also the death of Roderigo in Othello. Then in the next video, we'll be treating the setting, language, and style used by William Shakespeare in Othello.